A creamy potato salad with the taste of the Caribbean. Here's how to make the most delicious Caribbean style potato salad. So I'm starting off with one large potato, and this is a serving size for around 2 people if you're using this potato salad as a side dish, which is usually what it's used as. And I'm just going to chop this potato into small blocks. After that, I'm going to take the potatoes away and I'm going to boil them. So you want to boil them anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, probably around the 8 or so minute mark. And you're boiling them until they're soft enough that you can easily pierce a fork all the way through them, but not so soft that they start to become mushy. Now I'm going to start to prep my veg, which is one way a Caribbean style potato salad differs from, let's say, a European style potato salad. I'm taking half of a Romano pepper and I'm just going to chop this into small squares. You could also use a regular bell pepper. I'm also going to take about 1 spring onion stalk, and again, I'm just going to chop this down. Here I've got some frozen mixed vegetables. I am going to prepare about half a cup of this. Now to start making the dressing. So the main star of the show is mayonnaise, and we're using 3 tablespoons of that. I also add some mustard, which gives it a kick, some brown sugar, all-purpose, and black pepper as well. And then you just want to mix this all together. So after I finish boiling my potatoes, I'm just going to let them sit in some cold water for about 5 minutes. And then it's time to start combining all the contents. So I'll start off with my potatoes. I add in my pepper, I add in my spring onion, I add in 1 boiled egg, I add in about a cup of those mixed vegetables, and I start to add in my dressing as well. And then I just toss it all together. Now this potato salad is great to slap on the side of any meal. It's a very popular one at barbecues, but it just adds some more colour, some more flavours, and some more depth to the plate of any dish. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.